Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this video we're going to be doing Dustin Nguyen. Now, the different thing about this one is that he's actually a movie star, martial arts. He's not an artist, and he doesn't have an artistic style. However, I've used this in the past and it works sometimes. I don't know if it's going to work with Dustin, but we'll soon find out. So let's get into it. Okay, here we are in Nightcafe. If we select SDXL09, that's the one we want to use. And we shall start with a prompt that is not using the artist. The reason I do that, as you probably all know by now, is to make sure that we get some kind of result. It tells us whether or not the name that we use actually does anything. So if we go into the advanced prompt editor and I just paste this prompt in, portrait of a martial artist performing martial arts stunts. Now, let me just show you who he is. Dustin Nguyen. I don't know how to pronounce it. So he's a Vietnamese American actor and martial artist. So I've already biased the prompt towards him. Martial artist, martial arts. So we'll use 4 and we'll hit create. Let's see what happens. Now, so the reason I've used these is because I want to get more and more bias towards what he does in the hope that it will pick up something from his name because of those words. We'll test it without anything martial in a bit also. Okay, so it's done exactly what I expected. You know, if this was the images we were after, you know, each image has got its own faults, but that's not the point. So if we go back into the advanced editor and if we put art in the style of Dustin Nguyen, I forgot how to spell his name, Nguyen, and we'll just leave it like that and we'll see what we get. Now, if we come in and look at some of the images related to him, you know, this, I'm hoping for something like this, this kind of stuff. So it looks like it's, you know, from the Vietnamese past, you know, very old. It looks kind of, I don't know, like, you know, you've got the Ming and the Ying dynasty and stuff in China. I don't know the equivalents for Vietnamese stuff, but it looks it's period pieces he does, you know, here. So let's have a look. Right, now, it's definitely made a difference, but didn't there used to be in Nguyen something like, I don't know, in Street Fighter or something like that? See, maybe it's picking up something different, but it's definitely done something. So you now know that in the style of Dustin Nguyen, we'll do stuff like this. What I'm going to do now is to really, this is something I like to do. I like to, so I know I'm getting a style. I'm getting a style from that. What I want to do now is try and use that in a stylized fashion, but not on the typical subject matter. So if we go into the advanced prompt, I'm just going to get rid of that and I'm going to put this, a landscape of beautiful flowers, right? And I'm going to run that. 4 of those guys. Let's see what happens. I'm expecting a landscape of beautiful flowers. You know, it's going to do exactly what I asked it to do. Okay, as I suspected, we've got exactly what we want. But now, if I go art in the style of, and I'm just going to put in Nguyen. In fact, no, we'll stick with his full name, just for some consistency. comma. Right, let's see what we get now. I'm hoping for a landscape of flowers. I should have put it in landscape as well, really. Let me just go to landscape and hit another 4. But I'm hoping to get, Southern Asia, that kind of Chinese, Vietnamese style added to the flowers, hopefully, and make it look really cool. Okay, as hoped for, I've got that, and they're really cool. So this is the one with the prompt using his name. It's given me a woman, but it's highly stylized. That's quite a unique style. And the one where we just used the surname is pretty much the same. So same, I guess. But they're highly stylized and they look really cool, I think. I think, those are better than that. And that's better than that. But, again, this is the great thing about this AI stuff, the text to image. You can use anybody's name, like one of my favourite prompts, or names to use in a prompt's Tim Burton. I don't think I've done a video on Tim Burton yet. I might have done, but because it highly stylises my prompts for me in unexpected ways sometimes. So there you go. That's Dustin Nguyen, or however it's pronounced. I hope you learned something from that. Use names that you would never normally use. Use Arnold Schwarzenegger. Use James Bond. Use all of these different names that they're not artists, but they may have a specific style, and you'll get some awesome results. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy.